Skirt, skirt, skirt like I stole it. I've been rolling, 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 rolling. Pack loud, got a nigga wide open.
Hey guys, it's Janai. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I'm gonna be doing like a little get ready with me, but like during the get ready with me, I'm also gonna be doing a comparison video between two different foundations. So this is gonna be like a flawless foundation routine / comparison video. So since I'm gonna be comparing two different foundations, I'm also going to use their primers as well. So I'm about to show you guys the products that I'm comparing. Okay, I'm gonna be comparing $5 foundation to $40 foundation. Okay, I'm gonna be comparing Rimmel London foundation, like drugstore foundation, to Milk makeup. Okay, so here's the products that I'm about to compare. First, we have this Milk makeup blur stick, okay, which is basically a roll up, roll on your face type of blur primer. And I'm gonna be comparing this to the Rimmel London Stay Matte primer. If I'm looking here a lot, it's because there's a monitor right in front of me and I'm not used to like being able to see myself, and I know the camera is up here. My bad. For foundation, I'm gonna be using the Milk makeup in the color Caramel, okay, or caramel, however you say it, okay. And I'm gonna be comparing it to the full coverage Stay Matte Rimmel London in the color Noisette. I think that's the color. And then for concealers, I have these two Milk concealers. This one is the color Caramel, this one is the color Medium Tan. To these two Rimmel London concealers, this one is in the color Amber and this one is in the color Warm Amber. Okay, so I'm just gonna get started. I'm gonna be using the Milk products on the right side of my face and the Rimmel products on the left side of my face. So I'm gonna follow the same routine for my foundation. Obviously, I'm just gonna be using two different products. Okay, so during my foundation routine, I do use green color corrector just to disguise all these red marks on my face, like all these pimples and everything. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm using this green color correcting concealer from the brand called Blackpink, and it just has a little brush. So to blend out like foundation or concealer or whatever, sometimes I use a beauty blender, or I'll just use a flat brush like this one, which is what I'm about to use. When I do my concealer and my foundation, okay, so let me just say that when I do my makeup every day, I just do something different, or just do something in a different order just to see if I like the way that it comes out better. So I found that I like to put on light concealer first, like under my eyes, and then, like, you know how I said I have two concealers from each brand, a slightly lighter and darker one? I put the lighter concealer under my eyes first, and then put the foundation, and then put the concealer that matches my skin tone after. Bam. I feel like such a doll. Okay, so this is the side with the Milk makeup, okay? Okay, so as you see, this one is a lot thicker, a lot creamier. And just because this one is a lot thicker and creamier, I'm gonna use a beauty blender. This is actually the beauty blender that they gave me, so this is what I'm gonna use. Okay, so that was the foundation. This is the side with the milk. This is the side with the Rimmel. Now I'm about to put on concealer. Again, I'm putting on the darker concealer now. Okay, so this is how it looks after both concealers and the foundation. I feel like this side is a bit more warm and golden like my skin, and I feel like this side kind of looks ashier, to be honest. I don't know if it's just not the right color or undertone or what, but the first time I wore this foundation, this Rimmel foundation, my friend even pointed out, like, I think that's too cool toned for you. I think it should be warmer, and I agree. I feel like this side is the superior side right now. And I'm not just saying that because this side is more expensive. I just feel, I don't know, let me know what you guys think. Also, I may be biased because this Milk foundation is my favorite foundation. I'm gonna keep going. So next, what I'm gonna do, I already did the foundation and concealer comparison, so now I'm just gonna, for the rest of the video, I'm gonna use the same products on my face just to like keep everything uniform. So I am going to now I'm gonna set my whole face with this Rimmel Stay Matte powder. Alright y'all, now your girl is about to contour. I'm going to be using the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, light to medium. Okay, so in this palette, the Sculpt shade is a little redder than the contour shade, and so I use the contour shade like more in my face and the Sculpt more on the outside of my face, as opposed to doing it on the other way around. This just kind of gives you a guide, but I'm doing things my way. Okay, now I'm gonna do my brows. Y'all probably like, what is going on with her brows? Okay, so this is out of the norm, but I'm gonna try this new product. I do my eyebrows the same way every way. I'm just using a different product this time. So I'm gonna be using this Cella Tantalizing Top Eyebrow Cream. Okay, comes in this little tube thing. And it's the brush on this side, and this side is the little thing you dip it into. Alright, so to conceal my brows, just because I don't feel like using like the milk concealer on this side and then the like other concealer on this side, the Rimmel concealer on that side, I'm just going to use this Glossier concealer for my brows on both sides. Okay, this is in the color Deep, okay, which isn't really deep at all. They just only have 5 concealer shades. And let me show y'all what dark looks like, because this is a joke. Dark where? This is too light for me and I'm not even dark. Look at this dark. Right, like what? What is this? Yeah, y'all. And that's their middle shade. That's their middle shade. This is the 4th shade, and then there's like 1 shade darker. But that's none of my business. I'm just using a pencil to fill them in now. I like to like fill them in more after I conceal them so that I can see how it looks before, like, to see if I don't even need to. Okay, so now that I'm done my brows, lately I haven't been wearing a lot of eyeshadow, so what I'll do is I'll just like darken my eyelids with the same contour palette that I use for my contour. Duh, I'm like, why can't I think of the word? Anyway, so I just dip it and then I just go like this, since it basically fits the shape of my eye. And then this also sets the concealer that I just put under my brows. Now I'm going to put on this 2-in-1 primer and setting spray. I also like to spray this throughout my routine just to like make sure everything is like set and in place, and then like, you know, things, I don't know, I like to spray this in between. Just, I don't know, like I put it on after my foundation, I put it on now, I put it on at the end. Like I just do it just to make sure everything is set. My friend, she has flawless foundation, she was like, yeah, I set after like every step, so I was like, okay. But anyway, so that's pretty much my foundation routine. Now I'm just gonna put on like mascara and lip stuff, you know what I mean, you know. So these are my favorite 2 mascaras. Okay, so this is how it looks with mascara and this is how it looks without. Big difference, big difference. Okay, bam. Y'all, cat's looking at me like, damn sis, you look sexy. And I'm like, sis, I know. Like we're like mentally communicating right now. But anyway, so anyways, I don't put mascara on my bottom lashes just because like I feel like only putting it on the top makes my eyes look so open and like big. Like, hey, what's up? I think I should put on lashes. I don't wear lashes anymore.
I guess I'm putting on lashes.
Damn, I guess I'm putting on lashes, but I'm not. But I should. But they're cute though.
Look heavy as shit.
I know, for such a natural look, right?
This is natural?
No, I'm saying this is a natural look. Anyway, now y'all know I gotta be glowing. Y'all know I gotta be glowing, so I'm about to put on some highlight. This is a liquid rose gold highlight from Becca Cosmetics. And I like this one because it gives a really natural glow as opposed to like a shiny glow. Like, oh my god, you look metallic. Like, no. It looks like, oh my god, you look dewy. You know what I mean? Okay, so I just put it, the way I put on my highlight is I curve it into like my my brow thing highlight. You know what I mean?
In the studio.
I was thinking that.
Oh, they have a setting spray.
I saw that.
Did you put it in?
No, but let me see. I'm gonna just use it. Okay, y'all, so I think I'm done. Let me just, oh, lips though. What am I doing with these ashy lips? What color should I do my lips? Blue, glossy, like clear, pink, glossy, or
Pink glossy.
pink glossy? Okay. Whatever Kat says, y'all. Because I love cats. Oh my god, I don't even have the pink gloss I thought I was going to use. So I'm going to be using this one. So we have the Stay Glossy by Rimmel. This one is a very sheer, subtle pink, but I like her. Y'all, when I tell y'all I feel like such a doll right now, like, I feel like, oh my god. Now I'm for real done this time. So I'm gonna be using this Bare Minerals Dew Mist Setting Spray. Okay, I'm all done. This is my natural everyday makeup routine. Super easy. I know that this video is probably really long, but it's super quick and easy, and it looks natural, it looks bomb. Period. I'll have all the products that I use listed below. You guys see that I use a lot of Rimmel products. So thank you to them for being a part of this video. Okay, y'all see I'm so happy right now, y'all. Just know that I'm super freaking happy right now. That was my flawless foundation routine. Don't forget that I use the Milk makeup on this side and the Rimmel London on this side, okay? Let me know what you guys think, if you guys notice a difference. Honestly, I just prefer this side. Not that I don't like or wouldn't use this foundation. I just have my favorites. I just am very honest. That's one thing about me. If you're new to my channel, I'm super honest. So to be honest, I do prefer the Milk makeup foundation, but it's not that I specifically prefer it over this foundation. I just really prefer this Milk makeup foundation. Like, this is my favorite foundation. I haven't found another foundation yet that I like better, but with that being said, I also haven't tried all the foundations out there, so I'm sure there may be ones that you might like better. So comment your favorite foundation below for me. Comment your favorite drugstore and your favorite non-drugstore. My favorite drugstore foundation is Maybelline Fit Me foundation. It's a very affordable option, and as far as not drugstore, this is my favorite foundation. So comment your favorite foundation below, and because I'm really curious, I want to try new foundations. I'm the type of person, if I run out of something, even if it's my favorite product, I always try new products, and I am getting down to the end of this one. So let me know. But thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. Be on the lookout for more. I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I really did enjoy making it. And if you're not already following me on Instagram, be sure to do that right now at Janai Kirsten. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to do that right now, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.